Quietum Plus, a supplement that seeks to alleviate the discomfort caused by ringing in the ears, can be compared to a skilled conductor who conducts a symphony to restore harmony in the auditory system. Although tinnitus does not have a definitive solution, this supplement offers a comprehensive approach, resembling a team of musical experts, each playing their role to achieve perfect harmony. Imagine the auditory system as an orchestra, where each instrument plays a crucial role in creating an enchanting melody. Likewise, Quietum Plus focuses on improving the function of auditory instruments by reducing inflammation, providing antioxidant protection, and offering additional benefits that are comparable to improving musicians' pitch and chemistry. Just as a skilled conductor considers every detail of the performance, the natural ingredients in Quietum Plus are precisely chosen to perform specific functions. These ingredients can be equated to the individual musicians who contribute to the symphony of hearing health. Some ingredients act as violinists, providing much-needed smoothness, while others play the role of percussionists, helping to reduce inflammation like rhythmic tapping. At the heart of the composition is the search for improvements in the function of the auditory system. This can be compared to the conductor working with each section of the orchestra to improve the precision and clarity of the melody. Quietum Plus seeks to optimize communication between the elements of the auditory system, ensuring that each part works in harmony to reduce discomfort associated with tinnitus. The antioxidant protection offered by the supplement is similar to a protective shield that musicians use to protect themselves from possible setbacks during performance. This protection not only helps preserve hearing health, but also contributes to the system's resistance against harmful factors. In addition to its main function in the auditory symphony, Quietum Plus has secondary benefits that can be compared to the positive effects of music on general health. Just as music can stimulate emotions and moods, the supplement promotes immune function, acting as a melody that elevates the body's defense system. The improvement in circulation provided by Quietum Plus can be visualized as the smooth flow of musical notes through a complex composition. This increase in circulation contributes to the vitality of auditory musicians, promoting an environment conducive to tinnitus reduction and improving the overall health of the auditory system. However, it is crucial to recognize that, just as a symphony requires practice and continuous adjustments, the use of supplements like Quietum Plus must be guided by healthcare professionals. Consulting with a medical professional before incorporating any treatment is vital to ensure the approach is personalized and safe for each individual's specific needs. In short, Quietum Plus stands out as a skilled conductor in the search for harmony in the auditory system, addressing ringing in the ears in a comprehensive way. Like a well-performed symphony, its natural ingredients play specific roles in improving hearing function, reducing inflammation, and offering antioxidant protection. Additionally, secondary benefits, such as improved immune function and circulation, contribute to the overall health of the auditory system, providing a more balanced and harmonious listening experience. Product link in comments.